Hello everyone! I'm happy and super enthusiastic to salute you from my home country, Romania. This will be my home for the next days. It is an absolutely awesome and amazing place, and I can't wait to show you more. After traveling to more than 30 countries in my life, I can now say that Romania is one of the most beautiful countries in Europe and one of the best destinations if you love nature and if you love mountains. To show you why I have this opinion, I drove 5 hours and a bit from Bucharest, from the capital, all the way in the heart of Transylvania, in this magnificent area, the Parâng Mountains, where I will live for several days off the grid. No internet, no running water, no electricity, only me and the nature in a perfect harmony. This one here used to be a barn for animals like cows and horses, and this will be my brilliant, magnificent house for several days. I can't wait to show you inside, so follow me. Hi guys, I'm back from a super beautiful walk, super nice short hike, where I decided not to take my GoPro because there is no electricity here, so I said I will save the battery for tomorrow. But it was so nice, so I took some shots with the phone. Probably you noticed, but still I think they are interesting. It is 6 p.m. now. The nightfall will come in 1 hour. So the first thing I want to do is to search for mushrooms. Maybe if we find some, to make a nice stew for tonight. This is my little home, and the forest is right next to it. And let's try to find some mushrooms. These mushrooms are definitely eatable, but being old, you see, the worms got to it, and now they are not good anymore. Are you eatable? No, you're not. Hey there. Sleepy? Guys, I found some super impressive mushrooms, which I most definitely don't want to eat tonight. You see, these are the fairy tales mushrooms, the snake head, we call it. A red head with white dots on it. Two types of mushrooms, so you must be very careful and you must know very well the mushrooms. This is super poisonous, but then this one is very good to eat. We call these sponges, and you can see why. See? I can't wait to taste it in my stew. I will make the fire. One fire for cooking and one fire for heating in the stove. Let's see. I should start cooking now. The nightfall will come soon, and it's easier on daylight, but I'm simply absorbed by the view. I mean, it's surreal. Check this out, it's like a dream. Amazing. Super amazing. Those three peaks there in the ray of sunshine. Magnificent. The colors. Yes. This is perfection. But perfection tastes better with a full belly. So this is what I use for my stew. The ingredients: tomato pasta, these are mushrooms brought from Bucharest, the pepper, carrots, parsley, onion, and the mushrooms that I picked. And the dinner is served. Mountain stew with polenta, a bit of sour cream, and they say hunger is the best cook, so I'm sure I will enjoy this fully. Bon appetit, good night, and see you soon.